It's the U.S. Supreme Court ruling Texas Republicans had hoped for. The 6-3 conservative majority High Court Thursday issued a decision allowing Texas to use its new gerrymandered congressional maps drawn to help Republicans pick up 5 U.S. House seats in the upcoming 2026 midterm election. That ruling reversed a lower court's previous ruling to block the new maps amid concerns GOP lawmakers explicitly considered race as they drew the new districts.
What the U.S. Supreme Court essentially did is it ignored those claims and said the maps were drawn for strictly political purposes, and that's acceptable. Therefore, we approve them.
McGirt School of Law adjunct professor Chris McKaylee says the High Court's ruling could give us an idea into the fate of a separate lawsuit aiming to block California's voter-approved Prop 50 gerrymandered congressional maps drawn to help Democrats pick up 5 U.S. House seats in the upcoming election. In that lawsuit, the U.S. DOJ and state Republican Party alleged some of the Prop 50 districts were racially drawn to benefit Latino voters over other groups. Newsom rejects that, arguing the maps were drawn strictly for political purposes. McKaylee notes the case will go before the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals later this month, but will likely ultimately end up before the U.S. Supreme Court.
I would expect that the Supreme Court justices would handle California's redistricting claims the same way that it just handled Texas, which is they were done for political purposes, and the court should bless it.
Still, Clovis Republican Assemblymember David Tongipa, who's co-leading the lawsuit against the Prop 50 maps, says he's not giving up.
We are going to fight this case all the way to the Supreme Court to make sure that all Californians have true representation.
In the meantime, U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi is praising the Supreme Court's ruling allowing the Texas maps to move forward. Quote, federal courts have no right to interfere with the state's decision to redraw legislative maps for partisan reasons. Governor Newsom argues that same logic should apply to California's Prop 50 maps. His office writing this message to Bondi, quote, so you're going to drop your lawsuit against us, right, Pam? Indeed, the lawsuit against the Prop 50 maps will move forward. The first hearing is set for December 15th. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.